Okay, this time I'm gonna show you how you fix a. How do you say that in English?
Slave cylinder on the loose clutch pedal.
Okay, I have my friend the driver here. He's pissed off because he took the truck to somewhere in Oregon, right?
Yes.
And they didn't do a good job. They just replaced the clutch when the problem was here. What was the name? A slave? This thing.
I don't have
The thing that I'm gonna replace.
It's the slave cylinder.
The slave cylinder, okay? This is the problem we have. That the clutch stays all the way in. And this is the problem I have. And I'm gonna show you the part number we're gonna replace, and I'm showing how to replace it. This is the part that I'm replacing right here. And this is the part number. Clutch pedal assembly. But it's like this is like a slave cylinder, like in the cars. I think it does something like that. Okay, and I'm gonna start working, removing 4 bolts. I'm gonna see my friend. So the 4 bolts, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna remove it, and there's one switch. First, I'm gonna remove this. You can hold the phone for me, my friend. My friend is gonna help me to do the video. Okay, you just put the phone where I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start removing this clip right here. You can hold that. This thing. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, I'm going to remove this clip right here.
A Freightliner 2015.
Yeah, you talk to. Okay, I'm gonna remove this.
And he's removing the clip.
Removing right here.
Removing the clip on the hydraulic line. Going into the cylinder.
I'm gonna remove this 4 bolts.
It's just 4 bolts. The star style bolts.
Estamos quitando 4 tornillos aquí. Quitamos primero el dedo, ahora vamos a quitar 4 tornillos. Porque la people learn.
You can see the reservoir for the hydraulic fluid right there. He's taking out the bolts for the mounting of the
4 tornillos aquí.
piston.
It's a quick fix. Very easy. The driver can do it. El chofer puede hacer este
Have the part.
Es muy fácil. Ya que quito los 4 tornillos, I'm saying it's pretty in English.
Yeah, you don't need to pay the expensive mechanic to fix this. You get the part, you can do it yourself.
Es bien fácil quitarse. Vamos a quitar aquí 4 tornillos right here.
And you can see the hydraulic line right here.
Después que quité el clip, after he took the clip, I'm going to
He
remove
took
the
the
hose.
clip off, now he's going to take the hose off.
Yeah. ¿Alguna vez?
That's the actual hydraulic line that goes
ahí
to
está.
the fork piston that moves the clutch plate.
Yeah, now I'm going to pull it out.
Now he's going to pull the whole assembly out, hopefully.
Let me see.
There's nothing holding it.
No, because it's down. I'm going to pull it out.
There's something over on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the clutch gotta be
Make
out.
sure the clutch pedal is all the way out.
No, in. And now,
All the way in or out?
yeah, I'm going to try to remove it. All you got to do, you see this right here? You got to put it up a little bit like this. And then pass this thing right here.
Make sure you don't break the little plastic bracket
and
there.
el plástico de
Have
aquí
to lift it up a little bit.
del Sam chassis.
Okay.
And now it's out, but we need to remove a switch. Necesitamos quitar un switch inside.
Okay, he has to remove it from the
Yeah, I'm gonna show how it is.
clutch pedal itself.
Yeah, okay. Okay, my friend, right here.
The clutch pedal
you
itself
put
is hooked onto it.
Yeah, put that right here to show
Let
how
me
to
show a
disconnect.
picture of it.
To disconnect, okay? Right here. Just.
I can't get it.
No.
You hold it.
I can hold it.
You do it.
Mire, nomás le voy a poner aquí. Press down here. And pull it out. That's it. Just press this one. Vamos a puchar este aquí y ya se jala. Y ya puede salir afuera. Un switch. They name clutch switch. Se llama clutch, el switch del clutch.
It's an electronic switch that also lets the truck know that it's
Yeah. I have a good.
it's moving.
That thing, I think it can come out right now. I think let me see. Just be careful with this part. Yeah, se jala. Yeah, se sale todo para afuera ya. You can hold it. I'm gonna, what I need to do right here, just turn a little bit to the side to pull it out. And it's gonna come out. I don't see good. Let me see. Oh, the wire right here. Yeah, you're right, Eric.
harness.
You see,
Okay.
the part is
He
outside.
takes out. Let me look at the part. You can see the slave cylinder is now attached to the pedal, and
You
there's
see?
the reservoir.
Uh,
The problem is the
Yeah.
piston. The little rubber thing inside the piston is not pushing anything.
yeah, to put it back the same way, okay? To put it back, okay? what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this boot
Oh,
right
you
here.
get the whole new assembly right
Yeah,
here
right here.
in the box. But
I wanna-
save your pedal pad.
I'm gonna put the boot right here for the new one because they don't come with this rubber piece.
Or you can buy a fancy new one at the truck stop with a little naked lady in chrome on it.
Okay. So tell them put it the same way back. You tell them already.
Okay,
Okay,
the
okay.
same way you put it back.
Ok amigos, espero que les guste este video, les sirva de algo para ponerlo todo para atrás igual, todo se pone. Cuídense, Dios los bendiga, suscríbanse por favor. Hey, tell them to subscribe to the guys. Please subscribe to my channel, tell them. To the people, subscribe to my channel.
Oh, if you want to learn how to fix the Freightliners, you need to listen to Mechanic Jesus.
Yes.
He's the schnizzle.
Okay, thank you brother, appreciate it. Bye bye.